As a solution for all listed matters on the previous video, this one is going to deal with multi-factor authentication. What is it? How does it work? Passwords are not efficient enough. I will need another authentication factor. That is called the multi-factor authentication, or MFA. There is a free built-in Office 365 MFA, given that you are already paying the user licenses. So I just have to wake up my administrator, and with a simple activation on the tenant, he can promote a multi-factor authentication. Some of you may be familiar with the Charge MFA services from Microsoft. That is only if you want to install it on-premise on your WAP, or if you need to use the MFA for other Windows application than Office 365, some built-in application on your company, or if you want to use advanced MFA options. As you will see in this video, the free MFA with no advanced feature can be more than enough for only Office 365, so for today I will only explain the free one. And as I said multiple times already, we are explaining Microsoft tools in those videos, but you may have other external MFA solution that will work just fine too. Just a little advantage of Office 365 built-in MFA in comparison to other MFA solutions. It is natively integrated to your phone, and it does not require any RSA token or code generator or nothing of the sort. You are only using your iPhone or your Android. Or your Windows Phone, of course. So at first authentication, my user will be asked for an MFA verification. Several ways to do that. The first one is the SMS, and SMS is sent to the user phone with a code that he has to enter on his login page. So the user type the code, and a few moments later, and it proves that he owns the phone, and therefore that he is the right owner of the account. The second method is the call, the phone call. That's a very similar process. You receive the phone call from Microsoft, you answer the phone. Oh, Microsoft, you guys are so great, I love your solutions. But guess what? It's only to ask you to press the hashtag. Not very impressive. So you press the hashtag, and you are the right person, so you are authorized. And for advanced profiles, you can configure a last method to generate the second factor, and you are using the Authenticator application from Microsoft. So you download the application, you install it on your phone, you synchronize it with the cloud. How do you synchronize it? Most of the time you just have to scan a QR code on your phone provided by a web page on your user options. So you go on your user options, you retrieve the QR code, and you scan it with your phone. And at this moment, the multi-factor authentication solution and your phone have the same algorithm to generate personally temporary codes. So you just read the code on your phone, you type it in less than 30 seconds on the tenant, and you are recognized. With the password and the second factor, sorry, little problem. So with the second factor and the password, you are authorized to access Office 365, and you retrieve all the necessary tokens to access all your services. That's a little more complicated than that, but we are going to see that on a future video. So now, what did it change for our pirate? Oh, he can find my password alright, but then he also have to steal my phone to access my account, otherwise he cannot pass the second authenticator factor. And what about the code on my phone? So there is no perfect solution concerning cybersecurity, but with MFA companies are solving 90-95% of the issue. And do not forget to share and comment. See you soon.